I said it wasn't going to be good, and that's the reason people would watch, because it's high quality bad acting. In today's video, we're going to be taking this original ghost cart, swapping all the parts, pieces, all the machine stuff over to this brand new, freshly powder coated ghost cart Gen 2 frame that we just finished up. You ready?
You guys got to forgive Ben. He's trying to be a little bit more of a personality. He's working on it.
Fuck you. There, how's that for personality? Hey, maybe people like that. Maybe people don't like all the fake bull they see of, oh, let me be like the Strat and be all out and be somebody I'm not. I'm not that person.
Yeah.
Hopefully
he's not a subscriber.
Anybody that knows me in real life knows I'm not that type of person. I'm not. I'm the guy that does freaking builds and not out just spouting my mouth off. So that's how you put your plugs in. So we're gonna get these wheels and tires off of here just so it's a little easier to work on. Should have did this while it was on the ground. I give you something genuine, you miss it. So this here's where all the secret, see, I did it all up again.
Why?
This here's where all the magic happens in the front end. These are all the custom machine parts, tie rods that we made. So this is what we need to get swapped over to the new frame. I didn't have a chance to make another set of this yet, so just for time's sake, we're gonna take these parts and swap them over to this frame.
Give me some commentary. Talk about your day. Talk about anything.
So we're taking these hubs off.
Yeah, talk about anything other than the thing.
I don't know, what do you want to talk about?
Political events.
I have no comments on that. So these tie rods I machined from this hex aluminum. We put, let's see, right hand threads on this side and then left hand threads on this side. So it's like an actual tie rod turnbuckle, so you could adjust it and dial your toe in for your steering. So if you notice up front here, we're not running a traditional spindle mount. So we're running two heim joints. So this gives us full control of our camber angle. If you want to be like those stance guys, run a bunch of camber, you have full adjustability to run positive or negative. If for some reason this would get tweaked or out of whack, you could always go back and fully adjust that and dial it right in to be pretty much perfect.
Like an arm workout there.
Yeah. Making two of these identically the same and then wrecking one of them, wrecking the other one. And then it'd just be, we crashed our giveaway cart, sorry guys.
Nice.
Which honestly might happen, so. These things get a little wild sometimes. Especially when you're planning on doing what we're gonna do with it. So we are gonna throw some washers on each side of these heim joints, just so that we don't tear up the powder coat whenever we tighten it down. You want to tighten up on a washer. Should have put those on earlier, but whenever I was brainstorming or whatever, the reason why I'm not in such a chipper mood is we're just under a deadline crunch. We're behind on this project, and I don't know, just not going to make it. Figured that'd be a good way to get people intrigued.
Oh, idea guy.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, we pretty much put these washers on for you guys so we're not tearing up your powder coat when we're tightening this stuff down, so.
Real gentlemen.
You know, it's all about the quality. This is like Funky Coffee Shop. Funky Coffee Shop is what
I'm trying, man.
I'm freaking leaking over here. You seeing that? Look at that.
I can't keep moving.
Watch these heim joints when you're tightening them up. That's what got me. My finger got stuck in there. The old Pinchmaster 9000. I feel like Bedros whenever he's like, I don't know if I should pull it off or leave it attached. Who used the last paper towel and didn't put any back? Russ.
I think it was Mike.
Well, there's only 3 of us here now, so I don't think Dave was back here. Where are the paper towels even at?
I have no idea. They're probably in this little thing over here.
My freaking paper towel got, yeah, I wouldn't put that on there. Apparently nobody's ever cleaned that. Yeah, my paper towel guy quit on me.
Oh,
there
look at
they
them all
are.
right there.
I don't normally do the housekeeping around here, but I'm gonna probably have to start.
So if you guys are wondering why I'm not doing more selfie in action with this thing, we're trying out our new camera. The can't really see it, but the Sony FX6. Pretty sweet. Trying it out. Not the best selfie rig in the world.
That was a great time to talk about our podcast
Oh yeah,
room.
tell us about the our new setup here.
So I went over to YM Camera. Robbie hooked us up with this Rodecaster. What is it? Rodecaster Pro 2?
Pro 2.
Pro 2. It's I don't even know how you turn it on. Russ deals with
Red
all this
button?
stuff, but do you press and hold or?
Yeah, there it goes. It's on.
Oh, no. But yeah, it's pretty sweet. We started doing radio shows with it. We do funny sound effects and stuff, so that's pretty much the whole reason why we got it.
Oh yeah.
Do you hear it?
I can hear it.
Okay, let's get back to work. Ben.
Tell us how we screwed up this whole timeline.
Of what? This whole build?
Well, yeah, like we were supposed to launch it like last week.
Yeah, so
See how you just instantly clicked into like talking on the
no, I
camera?
was thinking.
Yeah, you just go like,
I
you're just telling me.
I still don't know what I'm gonna say. I'm trying to think where we.
This was supposed to go live like 2 weeks ago.
It was. The issue that happened was I thought it was a bad idea to start filming a brand new video in the middle of a build because that's just kind of dumb. So, but here we are filming a video right in the middle of a build. I wanted to wait, completely finish this cart, and then start building another one, completely film all of that, and then make it look like we seamlessly built this from start to finish.
You're trying to pull a fast one on our viewers.
I mean, I don't know if I'd say that. I was just trying to be strategic and make sure that, you know, we didn't start a build series in the middle of a build. But here I am. So if you're wondering why we started the series with powder coating a completely built frame, that's why. Underestimate the ability of that Heim joint just to pinch your finger and make you bleed. Like, we can get real stupid with the camber,
Real stupid.
make it look ridiculous, but
Ask the people.
I don't know.
Or
Well, they're not. I'm gonna do it right now.
Give her a little angle. Make her look like a little Hot Wheels.
So I'm gonna use our Wixie to set the camber on this. I'm just gonna zero it off of the main frame. So when you do this, it doesn't matter if the cart is tilted or angled. As long as we go off of the base, it'll be right where it needs to be. We'll just get this tightened up, and that's how we adjust our camber. Like I said, the caster, it's already adjusted, and then we'll get the other side on, we'll get the steering in, and then we'll adjust our toe in to about a 1/16 in. That'll just help kind of keep it tracking straight and make it turn the way we want. It's just the sound of your powder coat crying. That also is a terrible noise. Just realized something that Ash me on again. And that's why you just do everything yourself, man. You know,